Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have this special Porsche Cayman model. This is 718 GT4, and what we're going to do is upgrade it with OEM Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. This car has PCM 4 system, so let me show you first what features it's got. Right, so this car features the PCM 4 system in here, which currently doesn't have a setup for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So to prove it, we can plug in one of our phones into the socket to which normally activates that feature, but when we do that, it doesn't come up. So let me just do it now. Got it. There you go. So you can see it's charging now. And here, normally you get the message and then the whole menu comes up for CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on which phone you use. It doesn't do that at the moment. You can see in the main menu, apps, or whatever we press, there's nothing coming up at the moment. So let's get to it. Let's start the upgrade and we show you when it's completed. Right, the job is done. The upgrade is completed. So let's test it now, and we start first with Apple CarPlay. But before I plug the phone, I was showing you earlier that I was plugging it here, but we're going to do the test using the other socket, which is located also here under the armrest. So I've got the cable ready. I'm going to plug the phone now. So that's just automatic. So again, plug it in. The phone recognizes that it's plugged in, and the system automatically now recognizes that it's connected. And I select Apple CarPlay, and this then starts the function. You can see the icon that changed. There you go. And now, if we go to main menu here, that's our CarPlay fully working. So you've got all the icons. You can scroll through to get there. Our favorite app, Waze, obviously here. Obviously Google Maps as well, which you can go in here. So all fully working as expected, exactly as from factory. Now let's disconnect this phone and try the Android Auto. We need to repeat the procedure. So I've got the phone ready, but we've changed the cable. So we plugged a different cable that goes directly to Android Auto. We plug that in. So when we plug that in, it recognizes that it's connected. And then again, the system, the PCM will also recognize there's Android Auto, which you can see the icon here. Let me just put the volume down. And now it kicks in straight away. So you can see I've got Google Maps already kicked in because it's one of our favorite apps. So again, the same controls. If you want to go to main menu, Apple CarPlay is swiping left and right, while Android Auto is up and down. So you can swipe and go through the apps available and select them. So let's go back to Google Maps again. I'll just minimize this, and you can see the full map here. So yeah, all down to the factory specification. If you want more information, the links will be provided in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.